The governor of Ekiti State, Mr. Fayose, has suspended the permanent secretary of the State Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development and 3 other high-ranking officers for incompetence. The governor took this decision after inspecting some government-owned farmlands in Ado-Ekiti, the state capital, where he expressed shock at the poor management of the facility.
What are we paying for? Most of these things had failed. And people using these facilities are using and not paying regularly. So what is the monitor about? So they are not only going to be the people to be suspended. The permanent secretary too is suspended. There's going to be a panel of inquiry to investigate their activities. And anybody found wanting will pay for it. Government business must not be run as if I don't care. Yes, we pay your salary. You must equally give us value for money. I mean every word that I'm saying. I'm not happy with the situation here. And the people using this facility, if they don't pay this time tomorrow, they'll be out of here. We cannot continue to leave these facilities in ruins. So where are we going when we say we want a revolution in agriculture? The people would depend on us, engine room of government. They're not living to expectation.